Dalton Young, Lakeside. Trevor Peterson, Canasket. First call, Mat 1.
Back out.
First call, Mat 2. 132 pounds.
Circle.
Sorensen, University. Cooper McCullough, Moses Lake. First call, Mat 2. 132 pounds, semifinal.
Good, catch him. Waist.
Last call to mat number 3.
Settle.
Consolation match, Gardner from Central Valley, Kidya from North Central. Last call, mat number 3.
Stand out, Reyes. Good. Forward. Stay forward.
First call, mat number 3, 126 pounders.
Good.
Eaglin from Graham Kapelson, Huber from Post Falls. Eaglin and Huber.
Stay forward, off your knees,
That's
buddy.
a first call to mat 3, 126 pound consolation match.
Good, trap it. Lift. Crotch.
Go get it.
Stay active. Get your feet going, come on. That's better.
Move, that's better.
Stay on it.
Keep those feet moving. Keep him guessing. Let's go. Move the feet.
Up. Drive through it. Knee tap.
Drag it out. Elbow control drag.
Hey, look for two shots here.
Outside
Two shots here. In and out.
Go. Keep him guessing. One way and then go the other. Back it out.
Drag through.
There you go. Drag again. Use it. Drag again.
Pass to the cross.
Pass and go. Back out. Back and go.
Snap.
Back and go. Other way.
Get another one.
30 seconds. Circle.
Stay on it.
There you go. Keep going.
Stay on him.
Outside. Swings out. Short time. Hey, good job.
Hey, he just wants to keep you in front of him. In and out.
Hey, this outside.
Whoa. Reach down. Stay on those hand fakes.
There you go.
Up.
Nice. Keep running.
Good. Keep his leg elevated. Climb the body right to your chop. Go get it. Lift. Good. Forward.
Hey, that's good stuff. Go back to that shot.
Hey, stay on those.
Outside. Keep it guessing.
Faking when he's reaching. We're faking when he's reaching. Keep your pace going. Keep your pace up.
Nice.
Drive. Elevate bottom leg.
You're okay.
Climb the back. Nice. Keep him split.
Keep him split.
Pick the shoulder. Go to your claw.
Elevate that leg.
Nice. Let go of that.
Chop.
Good. Stay on him now.
1 minute.
Good. Stay on there.
Keep chopping.
Keep that knee in his
Keep
butt.
chopping.
Forward.
You're okay. Chop him down.
Good. Now ride that wrist.
Your wrist.
Find your wrist. Climb the
Jump
body.
off the hips. Jump sides.
Good. Trap that wrist. Cross face.
There you go. Jump up.
Good.
Good trick. Jump up. Take the near knee. Other way. Other side.
Come the other side. Go step through. Come the other side. Go step through. Come the other side. Go to your step through. Pry it. Butt drag.
There you go. Pull it out. Put it on his
Good.
back.
Keep it on his back.
Punch a bar through there. Punch a bar there. Punch a bar.
Pry it. Hey, way to stay active.
Hey, play. You gotta jump out. Play. You gotta jump off the body. Okay? Don't ride the hips.
Hey, you can turn him, Clay. Stay on him.
Back to those outside shots. Keep them guessing.
Keep your pace. In and out. Stay in our stance. Come on, you know he's not going to shoot. Stay on him.
Outside shots, buddy. There you
Good.
go. In and out, in and out. Keep it
Snapping off that. Snapping off that. Snap, snap. Pass it. Drag it through. There it is. Nice. Pipe, 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 pipe.
You're okay, you're okay. Back out. Back away, back
Pass it
away.
across. Pass it across. Good. Drive, 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 drive. Reset your hips. Reset your hips.
You're okay, you're okay. You're fine, backing away.
Stay on hand control. Stay on hand control.
Watch your ankles. Watch your ankles. You're okay. Elbow control. You're fine there. No, watch your ankles.
Pass it through. Pass it through. Or go to hand control. Drag through. Drag through.
There you go.
Hey, find your shot.
Outside,
Come on now.
outside, outside.
Hey, stay in our stance. Come on now. Stay disciplined here. Let's push the pace. We got about a minute left.
Circle, circle, circle. Outside dope.
Face,
Inside
face.
control,
Hand face.
inside
Hand
control.
face.
Outside shots, outside shots. Play. One finishes it.
30, 30. Pick your pace up. Get your feet going. Come on.
Move those feet. There you go.
That's better. Keep that pace. All the way to the finish. Good, good. Stay on
One more
it.
open shot.
Find one more. Find one more. Find one more.
Short time.
Last
short
call
time.
to mat number 3, 126-pound consolation. Eaglin
Pass
from
it
Grand
through.
Powson. Huber from Post Falls. Mat number 3, last call. First call, mat 3, 126-pound consolation match. Wagner from Hermiston. Johnson